Welcome. What's going on? You got Corey Neese here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the $7 club, what that is, and it's a lead capture page template that Power Lead System gives you. It's another way to promote Lead Lightning or anything else you really want, because what you see is what you can customize here on the screen. So this here is an image. Join $7 club. This is a picture. This right here I think is pretty cool. It's a little button that says more. So if you click it, this little image pops over. $7 club is perfect for those who don't want to spend a lot of money trying out ways to make money. It's inexpensive enough if you are broke. Can be highly profitable. It's very simple to use. So this is Lead Lightning. You know, it basically leads right into Lead Lightning, which is our $7 program. So if that interests you, this video will shed light on that. And also, if you're already a member of Lead Lightning or on my Lead Lightning team with Power Lead System, this is another way for you to promote Lead Lightning. So you have different options to promote the same thing. Like this, for instance, is the very basic Lead Lightning page as well. So you can use that. Let's see. I made this lead capture page back in summer. You can use something like that to promote Lead Lightning. $7 turns into $1,526 commission. All right. So anyway, I wanted to show you. This is lead capture number 24, and I found it again in the Vault of Value, the Power VIP Club. So you go to training and you click VIP and then you log in, and I'm telling you, just try these different capture pages out, because every one is like a little bit unique, and I'm finding out something about it every time I do this. And it's just really cool. Like, I really like how that button pops up. If you like that, you can use this in your marketing. If you want to change out this image, you could put in a different image if you wanted to. If you wanted to change this text right here, you could change all of this text as well. So you don't have to use this template to promote Lead Lightning. You can use it to promote anything you want, as always. So real quick, when you make a copy of this web page, which is what you want to do anytime you want to customize your web page, you want to click copy web pages, and then in the source code, all right, so I click the source in the editor. On the top left, you can see right here is the text for that pop-up. The $7 club is perfect, inexpensive enough if you're broke, yada yada. So you can go in here and I can change that if I wanted to. I could put in simple and easy to use, because it really is. And if I click save changes, all right, then I'm going to click, you're going to see it says simple still. I'm going to click refresh, and then those changes are going to be popped up. Now it says simple and easy to use. So it's that easy to customize this however you want. If I wanted to change this up because it seems a little wordy, maybe I could change that too. All right. But anyway, that's another lead capture page in our vault. We have so many different templates you can choose from, and I'm just starting to get through the pages. I mean, there's a whole bunch more. I want to try out these right here too. Lead capture 12, 11, 10. They just look really good. Really great designs here. And anything you see, you can always customize it. Even if you have to go into the source section, you can almost always customize whatever you see. So if I wanted to take this picture out, all I got to do is check it out, click picture. I can put in my own image, right? Whatever I want. Now, I like it, so I'm going to leave it that way. I like the background. It's unique. It's different. And then I'm going to click source, and I'm going to scroll down. And if I want to change the text for anything, all I got to do is scroll down, and voila, you're done. You're all set. So, all right. So if you want more information about this opportunity, I'll put the link below so you can check it out. You can opt in your name and email to learn more about the $7 club. All right, and I will see you in the next tutorial video.